A quick update on the progress of my XV01. As you can see, it's stripped down. I've left the gearbox front and rear because they're quite free running and they seem okay, but the rest of it was absolutely filthy. And after stripping it down, I found a few bits that needed replacing. So I've got the fenders, because it had one of those missing, and also within that pack comes the ESC compartment lid and cover, which goes there. That was also missing, and it comes with another belt cover, which I have got, but I will replace with a new one as it's in the pack. The belt itself is fine. This pack I got because these in here take little bushes, and one of them was missing. So if you can, I don't know if you can see over in that one over there, it's got a green rubber bung in it, which obviously isn't the right part. So I had to buy this pack just to get those bushes. I bought this pack, which I got because this was the front, and because it didn't have a bumper, this has taken a knock. And again, I don't know if you can see this, but it's got some bits chipped away. This is quite hard plastic, and it's got bits chipped away there, right where you screw the screws in. So I've replaced, I've bought this pack, which has that part in it, but it also has a spare battery cover, which that one is perfectly alright. It's just really scraped up, but it's handy to have as a spare, and it's got these engine mounting bits etc. as well in there, so they'd be useful if ever they break. This I got because it's actually got the bumper in it, and I bought the phone bumper itself, which is over there. This also comes with the spur gear cover because that wasn't with the car when I got it, and also it's got body mounting posts in there to mount the Subaru body, so I'll be able to utilise everything in that pack, so that's good. I also got some blue 12mm aluminium hexes for the wheels, and I've also got a couple of different sizes of hex head screws, because about 50% of the ones in the kit, the heads are actually worn, and also I'm not that keen on Phillips screws, and I'm also not a stickler for keeping things original really. I prefer the hex headed screws because they're easier to work with. I will keep you updated on progress, and thank you for watching.